Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off file sharing in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn off file sharing, so firstly click on start. Now type here control panel, and here option to select categories. After click on network and after click on change advanced sharing settings, and here option turn off and print sharing, so check this box. After click on save change, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off file sharing in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.